Tell me how you got started.
Sure. I was living in Brooklyn at the time, Brooklyn, New York, and I was working at the Brooklyn Botanic Garden as a curator of the roses, of the rose collection there. And I had been having some issues with my digestive system that now in hindsight, I recognize were triggered by a lot of different things, diet, but also stress and lifestyle. And it took me quite a long time to really put everything together. I was going to different types of specialists and doctors and getting lots of tests run. And ultimately realized that I really needed to change my lifestyle. And part of that was, changing the way that I prepared my food, and discovered fermentation in general as an ally for restoring my sort of probiotic system, but also learning how to pre-digest prebiotics, specifically different types of grains.
Right. So it was the health scare that you had that really made you look more mindfully kind of at what was going on, what you were putting into your body, and how your body was working. And it sounds like you started making adjustments, and obviously you're back on track.
Yeah, I mean, I still need to be diligent about what I consume, and part of that is making other adjustments as well, like eating with the seasons, really cutting out a lot of processed foods, and listening to my body. And, part of the journey was really recognizing that I have a personality type that has a tendency to push myself. Mm-hmm. And, the crisis really came when I just wasn't able to function properly. I had certainly been having, symptoms before that, but it really took, kind of a work and personal crisis to really, get to the point where I was ready to say, okay, what's really happening?
Right.
And it takes some time to really slow down and listen, to yourself and listen to your body. And it's been a journey that will continue, I think, for the rest of my life.